Well, tonight, Corpus Christi police say the remains that were discovered Monday bore no obvious signs of homicide. This as they're still attempting to make a positive ID. City water employees making that discovery while conducting maintenance operations and immediately called police.
Investigators still have not yet found any link to missing person Caleb Harris, who disappeared from a nearby apartment complex on March 4th. The remains are being sent to the University of North Texas Center for Human Identification. Our Bill Churchwell spoke with the center and has this update.
The medical examiner's office unable to make an ID on the remains discovered Monday afternoon. And because those remains were in such an advanced state of decomposition, they are now being sent to the University of North Texas Center for Human Identification, which is primarily a DNA testing lab.
So when other means of identification for remains or missing persons, such as dental records or fingerprints, when they are not successful, we can perform DNA and then put those samples into the CODIS database.
Melissa Haas is the laboratory director for the center, which has assisted in thousands of missing persons investigations across the country. But in the last couple of years, transitioned to focus on cases specifically in the state of Texas.
In 2023, the group had received 256 unidentified human remains.
The type of remains can range.
They can be more fresh bodies that are recovered, but then we also get skeletal remains that have been in the elements for many, many years, either in clandestine graves or recovered from water.
Their work state funded, which allows them to create a DNA profile. From there,
we then also perform DNA analysis on family reference samples and create pedigree trees for entry into CODIS. And then our hope is that the unidentified human remains or missing person sample will then associate with these family reference samples.
What does it mean to you and your team to be able to help with these cases and bring closure to so many families out there?
Our goal is to answer a question in order to be able to resolve cases and allow families the ability to start that healing process.
A process Corpus Christi police say could take up to 6 weeks. Bill Churchwell, 3 News.